Hello everyone! In front of you is the Z-head assembly of the AFARCO iRON PnP machine. Here, we use a NEMA 8 motor. With a belt-driven transmission system. So the working stroke is fairly large, up to 40 mm. And the sensor used on the Z-axis is an optical sensor. This Z-head assembly will be linked directly with the X-axis. At the top, there will be two valves to control the vacuums on-off function for picking up components. We designed the valves in this position to generate the quickest possible vacuum force. There will be connection points in this position. We use a circuit board to split out the connection lines. And they all be connected together via a large track down here. The two section heads will have two separate control valves. Regarding the nozzles, we use a CP45 nozzles. The CP45 nozzle is designed for very quick and easy removal with minimal force. It simplifies nozzle changes compared to other types like CP40 or Juki. At the bottom, there will be a camera and a LED light. All details are precision machined from aluminum and anodized for protection. Let's take another look at this Z-head assembly. Thank you.